Hey guys, it's Rebecca B. Creative. I'm a music video director here in London, and I've worked with some amazing artists on choreography-heavy videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your dance videos to the next level using the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm going to be going into special detail as to how you can get amazing visuals even in low light settings using the easy-to-use Samsung features. In my experience, making an exciting video is all about variety. In a low light setting, there are so many visual styles you can play with. Shadows, silhouettes, dimming, and strobing. For this video, I'm going to be playing with all of them. For that reason, the Galaxy S22 Ultra Nightography features are about to be my best friends. The Super HDR function in particular adds detail into the pixels of my image, making the highlights lighter and the lowlights darker. Since all of my lighting styles rely on dark to light contrast to be effective, this is perfect for me. In this particular lighting setup, I'm focusing on one stream of light. To really make that light pop, let's go into Pro Video mode. This allows us to control the ISO, white balance, aperture, and focus. Since we're in a dark setting, we're going to bring down the aperture to really make this one spotlight stand out in the dark space. Increasing the ISO is going to help us make those neons stand out from the darkness. When intentionally capturing shadow as part of your shot, slow down your shutter speed and don't forget to increase contrast when you're editing your footage. This combination will balance the light and dark in the image perfectly. These functions allow us so much control to achieve professional looking footage even without a huge camera team. This is how the dance video turned out. I'm obsessed.
I said ain't nobody on my level, really that's the truth. Hey, ain't nobody out here really doing what I do. Hey, ain't nobody out here got a sound like me. Hey, ain't nobody out here put it down like me. Hey, to the top I've been on my way. Coming up every day. Keep that drama out my face. Because today is my day. 415's in the old school Chevy. I be rolling through my city so heavy. Feel like, oh my God, that drip so steady, so fresh, so clean, so neat, so ready. Because